Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hey, as you can see, we're in the midst of doing the drywall and so forth on the shop. I didn't think you really wanted to see that, so I didn't film a lot of it. Being is everybody else is doing it. But what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to install a dog door. Yes, folks, it's a dog door. Let me go ahead and get it out of here for you. There we go. It comes well packed. It's a Baboni style dog door. This is really a very good dog door. Okay, nice heavy plastic here. Comes with really good instructions. Comes with a template to cut out. This has all the little drywall gougers. That's a technical term for fastener. And it also comes with the regular big screws. It comes with all of it to install this. And as you'll see, it says, don't throw away, use it during installation. It really is a great system. Has a lock on it, has a metal plate. What you want to do with the metal plate on here, let's go ahead and bring this out. That way, if you don't have other little critters coming in here and showing up unannounced, and maybe snakes, or, and of course it really depends on where you're at to what kind of critters that you may have coming in your place. Here we have diamondback rattlesnakes, we have coyotes and so forth. Granted, where this is going to be at is not, it's in the backyard, it's all fenced and so forth, so you really don't have to worry too much about it. Metal insert like this, that way it'll fit all the way to a 8-inch wall. It's a little on the expensive side in my opinion, but to me, when you're doing something like this, do it right, get one so you don't have to worry about it. Hey, are you ready to get this installed? Let's go ahead and take a quick look around the shop real quick, show you what we've gotten done, and then we'll get to the dog door right away. Okay, as you can see, we've gotten a little further since the last time we said, and this is where we're going to put the dog door at. We'll go ahead and cut that out in between the studs. But yeah, we did the installation on it. We got the box set up. I'm going to go ahead and do a video on wiring it. And we've done the ceiling. We're going to do a blow-in ceiling, so we don't have insulation up there yet. But yeah, it looks good. Hey, and if anybody has one of these or needs one of these, get it if you're going to do drywall. It's worth the money to rent it or to buy it. So, okay, here we're going to go ahead and line out each side of the studs. That way we make sure we get it in the center, get it level, and make your mark. So next thing you know, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to try to measure in between, and you know, that way you can get the center of it, and that's where you want to put your box. The only problem is I actually burnt the one and put the center in the wrong spot. So just remember, everybody does this from time to time, burning it on the 1 inch mark, and it's going to throw you off like this. So I got to redo it and find the right center and make another mark. It's all right. I'm a dummy. So the center. So let's go ahead and get it set up in there, and we'll go ahead and line her up, get it nice and level, get it centered on the right one, and just tape it in. Now you want to draw around it, but here's the shoulder height and the template center line. Now these holes here for when you want to cut it out, if you're going to use a jigsaw. See, that's for Gussie. You're a good boy, huh? Sit. That's laying down, aren't you? Okay. Gus the Wonder Dog. Now we've made all the lines that we need to cut. Right there. Then you have these 3 holes to go on the outside, which I'll show you in just a second. Now we got the hole, just cut out the insulation on it. Okay, what you want to do is take the A side and go ahead and put it in here. Make sure that you're not going to squeeze it, that you did cut it out right. But you could set it like that because it has plenty of room all the way around. What you're going to end up doing is putting this in here like so. That way you put this back. Now that you know everything's good and set, you pull this up like that. Everything's good to go. What you want to do is use this and just give you a mark. And there you go. The marks you need to drill to get outside. Now we'll go to the outside. Okay, now that we're outside, we locate the holes that we drilled through, and what you want to do is you line up the holes with the template now. That's how easy it is. So you just kind of get it set up, make sure you're leveled out, and tape it up so you can make your marking around it to cut out your template from the outside. Making it level is one of the biggest things you want to do. So, all right, here, let's go ahead and mark it out. Not bad, getting faster. Let's get it cut. Okay, now we're back outside. We're going to go ahead and slide it into the part A with the part B. And go ahead and we'll mark it so I know kind of where to put the caulking. I caulk around it just so we keep the rain out from the top and it has a way to get out from the bottom if necessary. I do, in the groove, you got to load that up so you don't have any rain getting back there or water getting back there. So you smooth it out real nice, get it out of there, and go ahead and get it pressed in. I'm going to recock the top, just give it a nice look and extra protection. Make sure that is in there so it has a nice smooth area to water just to run out. It's that simple, guys. It really works well. System works well. You're going to love this. Come on, Gus.
Come on. Gus, come on.
Come on, buddy.
It's a good boy.
It's a good boy.